One day, a young boy went to his mentor's home to ask him how he could become rich. The mentor looked at him and asked, "How hard can you work?" The boy smiled and said, "I work harder than anyone my age." Then the rich mentor asked him, "How hard do you work when you're asleep?" Confused, the young boy said, "Nobody works while sleeping, right?" The rich mentor told him, "Well, you have to figure out how to work hard when you're sleeping. There are two kinds of people in the world, the people who sell their time for money and the people who make money while sleeping. You can tell who is richer." In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a few ways you can make money while you sleep. But let me start by making a few things clear. A. You have to stop believing everything your father believed about money. Traditionally, the only way to make money is to have a job. For several decades, what people do is to wake up in the morning, resume at a job repeatedly every day, and wait for paychecks. Most people still believe that the only way to make money is to work a job. And that's the first thing to deal with if you want to make money while sleeping. A whole lot of things have changed in the last 30 years. So much so that anyone with some extra cells in their brain can now build a business that gives them money while sleeping. B. Be willing to learn a whole lot. The internet is a great blessing to humanity. Therefore, if you desire to build a business, the best asset is the internet. This can be challenging to an average person who is not willing to put in the time to learn a lot from the internet. C. Making money while sleeping is probably not for everyone. I'm sorry to say this, but most people I know don't have what it takes to make a lot of money. It's either because these people don't have the willingness to learn, that they are not willing to persist, or they don't believe they can do it. Having listed these three important things, let's discuss how you can make money while you sleep. 1. Build a business that can run itself. I have two businesses, which I've done almost nothing about in the last 1 year, and these businesses still make me money. Yes, not millions of dollars, but enough money to make an average person in my country live a comfortable life. What happened with these businesses is that I built them and hire a smart guy to run them. We use our websites and blog to drive traffic, while the guy manages other stuff. While not everyone can build a business, I strongly advise you to do it if you think you have what it takes, and what it takes is simple. A lot of mistakes and failures, but if you can persist, you can win big. Another thing I should note here is that not every business can give you absolute freedom. But the good news is that even a successful business that requires you to work every day will still make you money while you sleep, because you have the power to leverage on other people and technologies as an entrepreneur. 2. Start a modern school. Just a few days ago, I saw an advert for Prince EA about what he calls his school. What he does is that he created a platform that allows people to receive a daily message from him. Don't think he would have to work on this every day, because he won't. I have a similar platform where people subscribe to learn the business from me. I've not worked a single hour on it in the last 6 months. Everything is automated, and whenever people pay to join the platform, they get everything they signed up for, just as if someone is there inside the computer. Again, not everyone can do this, but if you have some authority on a subject, you can create your modern school. Sit down in front of a camera to record everything you want to teach, cut them into daily or weekly classes, and set up the website that will handle the distribution of your video content. If you need more info about this, you can Google how to set up subscription-based courses via Google. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. How can I get authority or get people to pay for my wisdom? I'll talk about that in a moment. 3. Start a YouTube channel to have an audience. If you take a look at the numbers of people who have subscribed to our channel, now imagine we want to start a subscription-based entrepreneurship class. Yes, you may not join because you think you already know everything, but we don't need you. We only need 1% of our subscribers to make a lot of money. While I've heard a lot of people complaining that building a YouTube channel is difficult, I don't know anything easy. People complain that things are tricky because they don't know that everything is complicated. The truth is that everything is difficult. If you accept the fact that everything is severe, you'll stop complaining that something is difficult. 4. Start a blog or YouTube channel to build a media company. Yes, you know this particular channel you're on now. What most people don't know is that my team and I have a media company which leverages solely on the internet and makes money every second of the day. You don't have to build a mega company to make a lot of money. If you have something you care about, there are hundreds of thousands of people who want to listen. Whether it is insurance or dogs, people will listen. 5. Sell your personality. I started this video with the most challenging ways to make money while you sleep, which is by building a business from scratch. But now I want to end this video with the simplest way you can make money, and that is by selling your personality. Here is how it works. Look at YouTube and Blogsphere. There are thousands of people who build businesses around their personalities. And it doesn't matter what those personalities are. Some people like their family and make everyday videos about their kids, spouses, and everything in between. Some people love cars, and that's what they talk about. Some people love traveling, and they carry a camera wherever they go. Some people love dogs and cats, and some people don't even show affection for anything. They express themselves. Some people will like your personality, while others will hate you. But the haters don't matter, as long as you have a reasonable number of people who like your personality and watch your videos or read your blog. When people read your blog or watch your videos, you make money from ads. And this money comes whenever you're sleeping or you're on vacation. While not everyone can successfully build something that ends up giving them money while they are sleeping, a lot of people can do it if only they stop making excuses that it's difficult. Stop saying things are difficult because everything is difficult. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. We love you.